little pencil. Let's go. Who are you? What are you doing in our painting?
I am the king. I live in the castle. Enemies attacked us and stole my crown. Now I want you to paint a crown for me.
Okay, we will help you put the crown back on your head. Hansel, please start.
I'm starting.
If you can return my crown to me, I will tell my people to subscribe you.
Thank you, my king. I do it.
In the middle of my crown is a diamond.
How wonderful! What color is your crown?
Bright yellow, like stars. I have a fast Arabian horse that I present to you.
Thanks a lot. This is so beautiful. What color is this diamond?
It is red. This is exactly my crown.
Wow!
My king, people are waiting for you.
It's time to talk to people. This painter returned the crown of the kingdom. Subscribe her and like her videos.